Hi, this is Andrew Phillips, the founder and editor-in-chief of Coach, coming to you with another question this month for EP Monthly. And right now, as I film this, 'tis the season for trick-or-treating and popcorn balls and second-degree burns for children. And I'm saying second degree, we're kind of coming away from that. In this case, spoiler alert, as always, it is a deep partial thickness burn that the child has to his fingers. The crux of this question is, what do you do with a blister? Now, if the blister is taut and you figure it's probably going to burst anyway, there's some debate about whether you should completely de-roof it, maybe take an 18 gauge and just drain it. And this is only in the context of expecting it to probably pop soon on its own anyway. And the thought is you might as well do it in a controlled setting. But this question is straightforward because it's a flaccid blister, and those people generally agree you just leave alone. Treat with simple soap and water, popsicles, PRN, nothing really else to do other than, in this case, because of the fingers and as a child, it does need a referral as an outpatient to a burn center. Also, take a look at this question. There's a nice table of all the indications for going to a burn center. This is pretty good test fodder because this is clearly delineated and a person is or is not a child. That's a very testable thing. Or, you do or don't have more than 10% total body surface area of a partial thickness burn. So that makes it very testable. Take a look at the table that's associated with the question and read through the burn section in EM Coach. This is Andrew Phillips, the founder and editor-in-chief of EM Coach, wishing you a safe Halloween.